Hello and welcome to Simple Science Hacks. In this video series, I am going to explain some great science phenomena with simple and quick experiments using household items. My name is Vidhi, and let's start with the next experiment. So this second experiment is about potential of hydrogen, which is very commonly known as pH. And what you see on the screen are the only two items that you need to do this experiment. Just take a half glass of cola drink and a half glass of milk. And let's see. So now I am going to pour milk, about 2 tablespoons in this glass. And let's see. There, see, there's a chemical reaction happening right away. What I see is a change in color. I also see some curdling happening in the glass. And there's definitely some gas bubbles that are rising on top. Let's take a closer look. But what is happening in this chemical reaction is something that you'll have to wait for a couple of minutes and let's see after some time. Wow, look at that thing. It doesn't look appealing to me at all. But what really happened in this chemical reaction is that when cola was diluted with milk, the phosphoric acid in the soda curdled the milk. Now this chemical reaction was then followed by a physical change where the curdled milk slowly fell and settled to the bottom. And this is the chemical reaction that happened in this experiment. 2 new products were formed, tricalcium phosphate, basically the precipitate that fell to the bottom, and hydrogen gas that rose above. So for this reason, some studies have been conducted and they suggest that consuming cola drinks regularly might increase our chances of osteoporosis because of taking in high levels of phosphoric acid from them. So a single glass occasionally might be okay, but a regular consumption of cola drinks should definitely be avoided. So now you know about pH. Stay tuned for another cool experiment.